Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download songs on Spotify. So first thing, let's just make a playlist and add some songs to it that we want to download. So I'm just going to pick some random songs. And as you can see, next to the play and share button, there's a button that has like a download icon. And if we press that, it actually doesn't let us download it. It says that we need Spotify Premium, but I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for completely free. So open up Google and search for Spotify Premium free or just Spotify free. And the first link, as you can see, is an official link to the Spotify website that says get 3 months free for £0. And we can just log into our Google account. And as you can see, we have an offer to get 3 months free of Spotify Premium for £0. And you can just enter your credit card or PayPal account and you can redeem that offer for yourself and enjoy your free Spotify Premium. So that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful and I'll see you in the next one.